camp here, escape here. Today we're in Irons, Michigan, and this is your perfect West Michigan retreat. We've got a 13.5 acre parcel right off of N Sauble Lake Drive, and it boasts over 1,200 feet of Rimkus Creek frontage. The property has electric on it, it's got a well on it, and it has a septic on it, so it's ready for whatever activities that you want to throw at it. We're also just a couple miles south of Dublin General Store. We're not far away from Irons. You have the town of Sauble, which has a Nataka bar, which has great food or drink, whatever you may prefer. For your nature lovers, there's ORV trails right down the road. You've got tens of thousands of acres of state land that you can romp around on. And we're not far from the backwaters just north of here and Sauble River right down the road. Not to mention you've got the Sauble Lakes chain of lakes right here in town and much more. You guys check out the video if you want to get out here and have a private showing of this fantastic property. I'll put my contact information just below. Make sure to contact me and get out here. If you don't want to miss more content like this and other listings that we bring to the market often, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to have a great day.